So given the following data or stress, so for this class, the investigation rather we discuss investigation in the other side. Medyo biyan na siguro ang design with the preliminary applicable. Since sterile na design. Kaya akong gina-check no, sa mga password exam sa regular example, otherwise, investigation na lang daw sa stress. Okay, so given the dimensions of B, 300 pesos address. Superimposed with load 5, live load is 15. Right? 600. Given ang net load o live load. This is superimpose, this is supermanually. Wala sa superimpose, wala pa ang set square. Wait sa computer. So the beam is supported in a span of 12 meters. A pretension with a total initial force of 170. So tension force 150 less. Strands with centroid 220 below the middle axis. So nakainis ko sa recipe na 220 mm. So money mo neutral axis. Neutral axis is 300 below the top fiber. And nakainis sa recipe. Money mo tension first stress. No? So nakainis yung compression force. Centricity. There is a 15% loss of the stress at surface loads. Sige na. So, question number 1, calculate the stress at the bottom fibers of the beam at the end span due to initial pre-stressing force. So, initial pre-stressing force. So, kung yung ipakita, ang stress dari ng fiber yung bottom. Calculate the stress at the bottom fibers of the beam at the end span due to pre-stress, no? Due to initial pre-stressing force. So, pre-stress din siya. So, bottom na to, sa stress, nakay action, na? Nakay action plus friction. Due to pre-stress. So action is force over area, positive compression, plus minus. This is rectangular, no? 6M, BH, word, no? So, LIP na to. PS 1750, 1750. Area is 300 by 600. So na times 10, 3 para i-pass ka ng gawas. Plus, minus. Ilang moment? Moment is this one. Moment is 1750. 1750 times the moment arm for the electricity, which is 0.22. Times 10 to the power of 6 para why not? Is 10. And 300 times 600. And then squared loss is also open sa alphabets. So with this, natin ko pa value, no? So, ilan ang class? 2.72. Compression, positive. Plus, minus. 6, 19. Same ba, 19? 19 with 44, by chance daw. 21.20. 39. Sakto na yun? So meaning to say, 9.72, 21.39. So kung gawin naman sa actual, positive, no? 0, only 9.72. Positive, positive po, 9.72. Plus 21.39. So positive, again, ang stress, ano na, tension na sa babaw, compression na sa ubos, no? So, tabo, ano no? Another 21.39, another 21.39. So with this, what we add, due to stress lang, 9.70, this is negative, no? This is positive. So 9.72 minus 21.39. So sa babaw is 11.67, and this is negative, no? Meaning to say tension. Then, this is positive. 9.72 plus 21.39. This is ilan? 31. So, after check, yan siya. 31.11. Pascal. So, muna yung mukhang stress, basal fiber. Kaling, direct. Muna yung experience na stress due to due to stress ka. Wala kaya pila sa videos. Okay? Number 2, calculate the stress that the top fibers of the beam have been spread due to surface loads and stress force. So, ganyan due to stress lang due to stress. Pero yung ipakita is due to surface loads and stressing force, meaning apil na ang gravity loads mo. Pero yung pita is the fiber, dahil na po sa babaw na po. So, kung compute po ang due to dito the drive loads, mag-event ko siguro. Pero, naka-stay sa problem na is superimposed. No? Because is superimposed, wala ba yapil ang self-weight na dito sa ito compound? Compute self-weight. So, given na yung weight sa complete, 23. So, weight and load is equals to 5. 5 lang. Plus 23 times 0.3 times 0.6. This will be an EF per meter. So, pila to? Pila? 9? 9.14. And this is in kilonewton per meter. Then we have W line load given 15 kilonewton per meter. So, to say W total is 15 plus 9.48. That is 24. Ito ba? 24.14 kilonewton per meter. And with this load, no, na may minimum beam, simply supported at 12 meter. Applied with this W total, no, will give you capacity, will give you maximum moment of. So M max is equals to W total L squared over A, no? So you have ilan? 434.82 kilonewton. And with this, stress niya, flexure lang, flexure alone. Baka man siya action, di ba? So, due to flexure, stress is equals to MC, 6M na lang, 6 rectangular siya, same for the 6M BH word. So, plus, minus niya. So, plus, minus. So, 6M, 300 times 6 squared will give us 74. Sakto ba? 24.14. Sakto? Parehas lang? 24.14. Okay, so with this, parehas lang? So with this, matutulawin mo niya ang stress due to dead load plus live load alone. So, again, positive moment, positive galing, happy siya lang. Tension, tapos, compression sa babaw. No? So, gawin mo na ito. So, tension, negative, no? Direct compression sa babaw, direct sa right. So, tension, negative, 24.14. So, babaw is positive, 24.14. Again, I take positive as compression. Yeah? Then the question is the stress due to pre-stressing the beam. So pre-stress sa top ng ipangita. So meaning, ato rin sila ni add, no? Kana, top na due to pre-stress, no? Plus, top due to dead load and live load. So ilang na siya. So, total na ito. Plus 24 point. So that is, well, ito ba? I-add rin eh. Yan eh. Sakto ba? 12.27. And sa ubos, ano sa lihan sa ubos? 31.7. Plus minus 24.14. This is 6.97. And 1. Ilan sa ubos? Pressure ba? Check mo. Nakastate sa problem na there is 15%. There is a 15% loss of pre-stress and service loads. No? So, there is a 15% loss pre-stress and service loads. So, meaning ko, hindi mo na i-combine si gravity load of pre-stress, may 15% reduction si pre-stress. No? So, meaning to say, this value, 11.67, will be multiplied with 0.85. Ma-reduce yung 15%. Ako na rin 11.67. So the answer will be 14. Para nila yun so dead load, no? Live load. Pero kung i-combine mo si pre-stress o gravity loads, daw 15% reduction, no? So, pare, mamunin ang sir, di ba si Wayne? 11.67. 21.11. So, kung i-combine mo ito combine mo dead load o due to pre-stress, ma-reduce din siya o 15%. So, meaning 1 minus 0.15. It will give us, so ako na i-add, 84.14 minus 11.67 minus 197. Will give us 14 point. Siguro sa unit, siguro na 14.22. calculate the maximum additional uniform load that the beam is subjected to without producing tensile stress in concrete. No? Kailangan ko no additional uniform load that the beam can be subjected to without producing tensile stress in concrete. Same no, 1 point reduction siya 50%. So, negative 24.48 plus 30. Ilan ni Clutch? 2 point? 2.3 ba? Compression. Nasa 2.3 megapascal. So, question number 3 is ilay additional na uniform load. Manapunta na natin siya.